Good morning to everyone present here. My name is Meenakshi Chaudhary, student of class 8. As we all know, today is 1st January 2020 and we are greeting the year 2020. New year means new hopes, new lessons, new challenges and new opportunities. New year, the most beautiful and wonderful day of the year. New Year is like festival which is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm throughout the world. My dear friends, 2019 comes to an end and it's time to say goodbye to 2019 and welcome to 2020. The beginning of the new year inspires us to resolve to improve ourselves in a variety of ways. Let's learn something new. Let's all celebrate this day together and let's wish for your close and loved ones. Let's promise to yourself to change a bad habit. Let's take new steps to achieve your dreams. See, 2019 is coming to an end. Then why to look back? Why to regret on your past mistakes? Why to recall the bad memories? Let 2019 end and welcome 2020 with warmest of aspirations. Respected principals, sir and teachers, we want let you know that we feel blessed to have you in our lives. Thanks for all the efforts you put in giving shape to our future. Being a student, I thank to God for the wonderful principal and teachers we have. May 2020 brings happiness and success for us. Have a happy and memorable new year. Thank you.